Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, I'm going to share how I am sending money to India from Germany. So as I am working here, or if you are a student in Germany, sometimes you send money to your home country. So usually there are a lot of applications available for sending money from Germany to India. So I'm using Revolut, so which is like very useful for me in quite some time. So I'm not promoting anything. I'm just sharing that how I am sending the money and what is the procedure, and I am also going to unbox the Revolute card, ATM card I ordered, debit card. So this have a lot of cashback offers also there actually. So I thought I will share my experience, so when whoever comes here they can start open a bank account very easily and use this facility. Okay, so first I will unbox it, then I will explain how I am sending. There is an application, you can download the application. So in the video description, I am providing the link. From there, you can download the app and check it. Okay. So it's a very simple process to send money. So this is the packing. If you see, it looks really good. Okay. So, and how I am sending money, it is very simple. Like we are doing in India. It's quite similar process. You have to select international transfer and you have to enter the bank account number, like our IFSC code and that kind of stuff. Okay, now let's open and see what is inside this particular box. So the design is quite beautiful, as you can see that. So you can say this is a standard card provided by Revolut, and the finish is quite higher when you touch it. You can come to know that. So they have mentioned that one card, all things money actually. The card gets you more every day. Like there are some like cashback offers on Amazon and all those stuffs are there. In the video description, I will provide the link so that you can sign up for this program or sign up for this card and also see what are the important features this card is providing. So I like this particular packing. It looks so good and a quite nice card. It looks really nice on your wallet, and the Revolut branding also, you can see that some details are here. Okay, so in the video description, this is all about this card. So if you how to use it is very easy. In the video description, I have provided the link. You can install the app through that, and then once you sign up for this particular thing, there are a few verifications which you can done at your home itself, like adding your visa copy, passport copy, and basic ID requirement. It is very simple and very fast. Then it is easy. If you want to send an international transfer, you can select the account, from which bank you want to send, or you just put the account number, IFSC code, and all those stuff. And in the video, you can see that I will share that in this videos, what is a current exchange rate of that particular amount and all. So you can send your money to your home. It's quite easy process actually. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to more about, in the video description I have provided the link so you can access this particular thing. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.